So I just wanted to say a few things about dairy. So we all know that breast milk for humans or milk for any mammal is meant for the baby to grow from birth to till the time it's fully grown, and nobody consumes milk after their growing years, but we are the only species who continues to do it and continues to drink milk which is not of our biological mother. So it's just something to think about. Is it natural? Is it what's really helpful for us or for the animals? The second thing is that the way the milk is procured today, right from the unethical practices to things like antibiotics being pumped, hormones being pumped into the cows, we are not anymore getting good quality milk. It's very often adulterated and substandard. So it plays havoc with our health, and it's really not good for the cows themselves also. And the effect of that is on our health, and the animals are suffering, and there's no real point to it. But from the point of view of our taste buds and what we are habituated to, wherever dairy is used, there are alternatives. They're not only healthier, but they're really delicious and really not that difficult to make. So once we understand that dairy is not something we need and there are alternatives, there's no big deal now switching over, and do it slowly, do it steadily, and then you'll develop a taste for the new kind of dairy.